gonna give my opinion.
That's right, we like to give our opinions. But what is an opinion? In short is what we think about something or someone. In long,
Something happened! Ah! I'm gonna give my opinion. Ah! My opinion, my opinion. Hey! My opinion. And who asked for your opinion? And who asked for your opinion about my opinion?
how wonderful the opinions are. But in this time, no one can handle anything. The people can handle an opinion or how others think. Everyone gets mad, but why? But why they get mad? It's only an opinion, there's nothing to get angry at. Ignore it. That's easy. It's like someone getting angry at us for how we think.
I really love my chocolate.
Aha! In my opinion, your chocolate tastes like caca. In my chocolate, no one touches my chocolate! You're gonna eat my chocolate.
No. Everything's wrong. Everything is wrong. We're gonna divide the opinions in two. In constructive and destructive. And both will be divided in positive and negative. Easy. The positive constructive opinion is when you agree with someone. It's so easy. It's just something positive.
Hey, I do this really cute drawing. Oh, that's really cute.
But sometimes can be bad since it can help others in some cases.
Hey, I do this really cute drawing. Oh, that's really cute.
I know, it's really cute. I know. It's really cute. Oh, my God.
Whoa. Now it's not really cute. It's just cute.
Sometimes opinion can count as criticism. But we're talking about opinion, so... A constructive negative opinion is when you disagree with others. And this one has a lot of problems in general, only because people don't like to be told no.
Ha! I make content for my channel, for my sites, for my videos, for my comics. Oh, let's upload it. Ta-da! Excuse me, I didn't like this one. Why? I don't know. I mean, I didn't like it. Why?
Sometimes we need to accept negative opinions. It can help us to be better or knowing something that is wrong. But if you're gonna get mad at negative things, you must have a really weak bone.
I think you shouldn't said that. Your work is not the best.
I am not pregnant.
I don't have coconuts. You think you're a strong boy, but I am stronger!
Stop right there! It's not necessary to be angry at negative stuff. Instead, use it to be better.
I feel you're doing it wrong. Why you don't try the other way?
Thank you so much! Now I can do it better! Hey! Fuck yeah! Oh, my opinion worked! I feel you're doing that wrong. Haha! There we go! Perfecto! Sometimes we have different opinions, and that's okay. It's normal. The way we think and talk describes how we really are. There's nothing bad about it. But now, the good stuff, the terror. Let's go to the horror, where the people destroy only to win an argument. And the destructive opinion. This one has one goal. To be right by hurting, being tolerable, and getting angry. Hurting to be right. You can't talk to them. You can't talk! Everything's wrong! I mean, I don't like that kid over there. Over there. I don't like him.
I hate you! I hate you! You are the worst! Die!
We're gonna take these ones differently. Cause we will focus on intention, brain, and what kind of shit is in their heads. A destructive negative opinion.
It's wet.